Development continues on the much-anticipated alternative to the BMW Z4, and a new batch of spy photos catches two flavors of them under development together. The curvaceous shape looks svelte regardless of which parts are on the body. These Z4s feature two different takes on the Roadster's front fascia. One model left features a prominent black air dam that pokes out from the nose. All of the mesh in the inlet is also black. The other example right has a less aggressive look with a smaller intake in the center. Conversely, there are polished details for the grills on this one. In profile, these Z4s wear impressively large brake discs that fill the entire open area of the wheels. The calipers don't appear too large, but this combo should provide plenty of stopping ability. Like the front, these two cars have different details at the rear. In the photo above, the Z4 in the foreground has two trapezoidal exhaust tips and a delicate diffuser between them. The other Roadster wears a pair of circular stores and has an easy area in between. Normally, the vehicles appear to be the same. Rumors point to multiple engine options for the Z4. A turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder would produce 180 horsepower 134 kilowatts in the base S20i model, and the output would grow to 250 horsepower 186 kilowatts in the S30i. The M40i would use a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with 335 horsepower 250 kilowatts, and a range-topping competition package would allegedly drive the power to 385 horsepower 287 kilowatts.